here with another fucking video because I haven't done a video in a long time. So, and I have my best friend over here, Ollie. He's gonna join us because he's the one who's teaching me how to drive. And tonight we decided to make this little video just, you know, just so you guys can be a part of this experience. Huh? Okay, we're about to head out back home. Ollie, is there anything to say?
Don't crash my car.
Yeah, hopefully. Oh, let me fix my mirrors real quick. That's important. And don't mind Ollie, he's just eating. Do I push it? Push it and then push it. Ready?
Why the fuck did you go into reverse and then drive?
Because I can. I need to like figure it out for a second. Is there no cars coming?
No.
Promise?
Oh my god! Signal. Always signal.
Fucking signal hard. Because with this fucking Beamer, the thing about, will it make it?
Yeah, you'll make it. Just keep your wheel all the way.
I do have it all the way.
Keep going, 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 keep going.
I
keep
see.
Going, keep going, keep going. Yes.
Yes. Ooh, I'm getting used to your car, that's all. Ooh.
Fuck, I finished all the shrimp, but not. I should be for it.
Don't worry. We're not family friendly here.
I finished all the shrimp. Now I just have rice.
Hold on, my fucking mirror is too sorry guys. My mirror. I need to adjust that shit. There we go. And then my signal también.
Don't whip it too hard, my car's gonna fly. My phone's gonna fly.
Okay, Ollie, how has your day been?
Pretty boring. I missed class.
Yeah, he missed his 10 a.m. class. I wasn't able to join because I had other shit going on.
I was not feeling it.
Yeah, me and him made a deal that like he was gonna pick me up from the fucking train station, and he did not wake up. And keep in mind, this was around 1 p.m. You know, so.
I think you texted me at like 12:30.
I called him too. I called him twice and I texted him.
No, you called me twice on normal. Once on WhatsApp.
Yeah. Oh, there are cops over there.
Where?
Over there, straight ahead.
Okay.
Oh, okay, cool.
Do you want to check? I'm just kidding.
Oh, I haven't.
Hey, that motherfucker still stop. Just honk him on the way out. I'll honk him on the way. There you go.
Oh, my first time honking.
I know, for a good cause. Oh, of course you have to stop right next to the fucking cop.
It's okay, I got it.
It's okay, we can see the cheese man. I'll see, I told you, someone is getting run over. I mean, dude.
Ooh.
Wait, what happened on the floor?
There was an accident.
Yeah, what happened? Look at the floor.
You guys, you should see, flip the camera and show him. Show him. Oh, be careful, there's a cop right there.
I'm the passenger. What's that? Look at that. Oh, Kelly's at the stop sign. Oh, look at that. So much better. Brightened it. You can see all my double chins.
Oh, there's another cop pulling up.
Where?
To the scene right behind.
That's not a cop.
Oh, it's a girl. Hey, girl. What's up? I honked at you earlier.
There's two people in there. None of them could have realized that red light was... Oh my god, look. Her license plate says A.
Hey. I want to get mine custom made.
I could get mine custom, but I kind of like it.
What? Oh, I don't want to ask you on camera right now because putting sensitive information out there is not good.
I hate that.
What, this?
I'll just say you can edit it out.
Oh, okay.
Let the mom do what she wants.
Yeah.
I get if it's like 3 trimesters in, then don't abort. But like if it's like a few weeks.
I mean, I respect everyone's decision. I guess I'm very like, you know, about that. I'm like, whatever. It's your body. You do what you want.
Yeah, you do what you want.
If you want to keep the kid, go ahead. If you want to put it for adoption, do it. If you don't, I don't know, do what you gotta do, bro. That's how I think of it. I mean, it also depends on the circumstances, right? It doesn't always just like, you know, there's so much that contributes to it. And I don't think a lot of people think about that. They're like, no, it's just killing another. Like, I see where you're coming from, dude, but like, do you want to tell them about the time I almost crashed? when we went to Pico. Remember?
You went over the curb?
Yeah. And I was about to hit the car.
Oh my god. Like, not even like fucking 5 centimeters and she would have hit it. She turned into like a parking lot. One time I was walking to England, and I'm just like, I'm just so used to jaywalking there because that's what
Stop,
everybody does.
right?
Not yet. Yes. And I remember I was jaywalking and my fucking family took forever to cross the street. So I had crossed it and I cleared the street completely. But by the time they crossed, the car had come and the car had to brake and got so fucking pissed off because like they had to brake. And she stopped and she looked at my mom in the eye and she went, "There's a fucking crosswalk right there."
I've been getting a lot better. The car doesn't jerk as bad as it used to be.
Every time it jerked, I can hear my maintenance costs going up. My fucking suction cup. I paid $13 for this.
Wow, 13, bitch. Ollie with the deals out here.
But why is it so zoomed in?
I don't know.
You know what I should do? She cracked in the back. Keep going.
I have a crack on my butt crack.
Why is it like, there you go. You can't tell where we live, right?
No.
All your subscribers already know where we live.
Yeah, all my subscribers know where I live because all my subscribers are my friends and they're the real ones, you know. They're supporting their bestie Jelly. But yeah, this is my roommate, by the way, not my boyfriend, not my anything.
Yeah, I might just start even more soon.
No, a lot of people literally think that Ollie and I are dating. That is not true.
That is not correct.
I think some people even think we're married, but that's not true.
Honestly, at this point, might as well.
Because people, like, they know that we live together and everything, so it's like, people just like to...
Go ahead and trash cans.
I see that.
Why did they put them out so far
That's
away?
what I was...
They're in the middle of the fucking road.
I'm gonna just go straight.
Okay.
Practice a little bit more, yeah. Because I can't get into our driveway. Is that bad to say? I really
So we had to
can't.
like switch right outside.
We're turning here, bitch.
Dude, you did not. You would have gotten hit if there was a car there.
Where?
Because this wasn't a. They don't stop.
Oh, I know. But I didn't see no cars. Okay, so you want to go to Pico?
Kind of.
Okay.
But I think I should drive because they close at 12.
What time is it? Yeah, so everyone thinks that Ollie and I are dating. That's not true.
I put a ring on it. She said no.
He's my best friend, and we literally met at work like 2 years ago.
I knew it more than that.
Close to 2
I think I
years.
sure is 2 years ago.
Oh, okay, so closer
Way
to
more than 2 years.
3, huh? Okay, closer to 3 years, but yeah.
Guys, switch.
All right, guys, we're gonna do a quick switch.
Hey guys, I'm leaving without Kelly.
Nope, I'm in. Your seat, say my seat. So we made it home. We're on Ollie's bed right now. We didn't finish recording. We ended up going to, where did we go?
Pico.
We ended up going to Pico Casino. But Ollie but Ollie drove there because I'm too good at driving, that's all.
How do you stop this? Every single one of them. The majority of them are my friends. What'd you do?
I hella like split.
Show me again?
No,
Do it?
that shit hurt. You'll see it.
That shit hurted.
This is the real us.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, we aren't really interesting. We aren't being interesting or funny or anything today because we're kind of tired. It's been a long day. Only one person knows what this is. What happened tonight?
Kelly, of course I do.
Oh, well, I didn't.
Yeah, he moves
this
too.
Dude showed me.
He moves, I know.
Yeah. So.
Okay, bye. That should be your outro. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye, guys.